Welcome to our channel. Today we how to order OTC products with Wellcare Benefits Card, shopping guide step by step clearly. To order OTC products using your Wellcare Benefits Card, first, ensure you have your card handy. Visit the Wellcare website or the designated OTC shopping portal. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by providing the required information. Once logged in, navigate to the OTC products section. Browse through the available products to find what you need. You can filter products by category for easier navigation. Add the desired products to your shopping cart. Review the items in your cart to confirm your selection. Proceed to checkout when you're ready to complete your order. Enter your Wellcare Benefits Card information as your payment method. Ensure that the shipping address is correct for delivery. Confirm the order and submit it for processing. You will receive a confirmation email detailing your order. Once your order is processed, it will be shipped to your designated address. Keep an eye on your email for shipping updates and tracking information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.